Friends, today I am going to read out a very beautiful poem. The title of the poem is Shocking. That is, you start dying slowly. In this corona pandemic, if one is going to say that you are going to die, then it becomes very shocking for you. And you are going to say that what type of poem you are going to read out. But on the surface level, though it is looking like somewhat shocking, but the poem is very inspiring. It has given a message to one and all that how to live life, how to live happy life. And you have to follow all those things that the poet has pointed out in the poem. The poem is composed by the Nobel laureate Pablo Neruda, Chilean writer, novelist, and poet. The poem goes like this: you start dying slowly. You start dying slowly if you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sounds of life, if you do not appreciate yourself. You start dying slowly when you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you. You start dying slowly if you become a slave to your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know. You start dying slowly. You start dying slowly if you avoid to feel passion and its turbulent emotions, those that make your eyes glisten and your heart beat fast. You start dying slowly if you do not change your life when you are not satisfied with your job or with your love or with your surroundings. If you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself, you start dying slowly. If you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from sensible advice, you start dying slowly. So this is a very beautiful poem by Pablo Neruda that he urges all of us that you have to change your routine to live your life happily. You have to speak to the people who are unknown to you. Means you have to speak to the people with a very new and a fresh mood. You have to come in contact with new people every day. You have to share your feelings, emotions with them. You have to read something. Along with reading, you have to write also. So this is the way that you have to live the life very happily as prescribed by the Nobel laureate Pablo Neruda.